Hi, I'm Mandy with Herrick District Library. Today we're talking about Hoopla, what it is, steps for signing up, and a review of its great features. Hoopla is a free digital media service that allows you to borrow and stream music, movies, TV, ebooks, audiobooks, and comics using your Herrick District Library card. You can access Hoopla through your computer's web browser or on your phone or tablet via the Hoopla app. It also supports streaming to your television via platforms like Roku, Fire TV, and Chromecast. I will be using a computer for this demo, but you can also download Hoopla through Google Play, App Store, Amazon, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Please be aware that while Hoopla does work on Fire tablets, it does not work on e-readers like Paperwhite, Oasis, or Scribe. Be sure to have your library card handy. Then let's begin at Herrick's website, herrickdl.org. Locate Digital Library in the top menu bar and click on it. A submenu will drop down. Scroll to Featured eMedia, then click on Hoopla. This will redirect you to hoopladigital.com. We are now on the hoopladigital.com page. If you have an existing account, you can click the Login button on the top right. To set up a new account, we will click on the blue Get Started button. The welcome screen reminds you to have your library card number and email address before beginning. When you have these items, click the blue Let's Go button. On this page, it will ask you to find your library. If you have location settings turned on and you are currently in the area, Herrick District Library may be listed for you right away. If not, that's okay. Just type out Herrick or Holland, MI in the search field and it will pop up. Click on our library's name, then click on the blue Next button. Next, you will enter the 14-digit number on the back side of your library card, then click the blue Next button. Next, review the terms of use. Scroll down and click the blue Accept button. Finally, you'll enter your email address, create a password, choose your notification preferences, and click the blue Complete Registration button. Click Get Started to begin browsing Hoopla. With Hoopla, libraries pay for each checked-out item, so each library system's plan works a little differently. Herrick District Library offers 15 credits per month to its cardholders. Credits reset on the first of each month. The library itself also has a daily borrowing limit that is occasionally reached during busy times. If you are unable to borrow on a particular day for this reason, we apologize for the inconvenience and ask that you try again once the system resets. Resets occur daily at midnight. Hoopla allows you to borrow content in two ways: instant or flex availability. Hoopla began as instant availability only, and most of their collection remains this way. Titles with a lightning bolt icon are available immediately. Hoopla also offers flex availability, meaning a title may not be available instantly, allowing a hold to be placed. The nice part about Flex titles is that they do not count against your monthly borrowing credits. Flex titles are designated with a circulating arrows icon. Click on My Hoopla on the top menu bar to view your favorites, borrowed list, and history. Found a title that interests you? Save it for later in your favorites by clicking the heart icon next to the title. Your borrowed list includes all titles currently checked out and the number of credits you still have available for the month. History lists all titles previously checked out to your account. You can opt to turn off this feature. On computers or tablets, click the cogwheel in the upper right to view or change basic account preferences. Let's look at library card number, kids mode, and link a streaming device. The library card number section allows you to add more than one library card to your account, allowing you to share one account with your whole household while utilizing each patron's monthly borrowing credits. In the Kids Mode section, you may set up a 4-digit PIN number, ensuring kids-only content for children on your account. Once the kids' content page is on the screen, you cannot navigate to other material without first entering the PIN. Want to watch a title on a bigger screen? The Link a Streaming Device section allows you to easily connect to another device, like a smart TV, by following the steps provided here. Want to really maximize your Hoopla benefits? Check out Binge Passes. Binge Passes give you 7 days of unlimited access to a large content collection or streaming platform and only count as one borrowing credit. These include but are not limited to Hallmark Plus, the Great Courses series, and Curiosity Stream. You can also reborrow a binge pass as soon as it expires. Want to watch an entire TV season using only one borrowing credit? Use a season pass. Season passes can be found on the binge pass page as well as on the TV page. Feeling artistic? Check out a Craftsy binge pass or season pass for instructional videos on sewing, baking, knitting, and more. Just type Craftsy in the search field to explore all the great how-to options. Are you an avid comic book reader? Jump into the action by taking advantage of Hoopla's Action View. Just click the magnifying glass on the lower left of your screen to see finer details, or click on a panel to zoom into full screen. Then click left or right to go back, or continue to the next panel. Thanks for watching HDL's How to Hoopla video. If you have any questions about Hoopla or its features, our friendly front desk staff would be happy to help. Stop by or call us during regular business hours. Happy reading!